Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, George. Once again, I want to say thank you to everybody who helped me reach my goal of 3,000 subscribers. You know, all the support y'all give me, all the likes, all the comments, all the shares, everything helps me. And as the channel grows, I'll be doing more giveaways. But for right now, I got 2 gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and I got 2 winners so far. The first one is Cruiser Mac. The second one is Adam Smoke and Metal. I'll be posting a link to their channel below in case y'all want to check them out. They got some cool stuff. And I'll get in contact with the winners in a few minutes. And let's continue to the newest video, I guess. So, all right, guys. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got some plasma cutter stencils here from 911 Motorsports. As you can see, they're all different sizes, 2 inch, 3/4, 2.5, 1 inch. And I think I want to make some holes using the 1 3/4. So basically I'm just going to align it, all these 3 lines. I'm going to use my magnets. And everything is matching. Next thing I do is get my plasma cutter in here. Alright guys, 1 3/4 exactly. Nice little cutouts, nice stencils. Alright guys, we're going to use a titanium flux 125, and we have it set at letter C and about number 4. Got the corner of my clamp. Alright guys, I got this piece of wood. Not the best, but I'm going to try to drill this here. And these are about 2.5, 2.25. Alright guys, I gave it a quick clean here, took off most of the tougher rust. Alright guys, I think that's it. Alright guys, so I think we're pretty much done here. So from the top to about right here is about 9 inches. And you got 9 inches across. So that's a lot of capacity there for charcoal. I need to run some numbers. And then from the bottom here about 4 inches, that's where we're gonna put the little, like the newspaper or whatever to start the fire. The handle here is pretty sturdy. It was an old piece of firewood, mesquite, and just took off the bark here, put a little bit of oil on it, and looks pretty good. I mean, there's a lot of better wood out there, but this is what I had here handy. Put a little 6x9 plate here to kind of block off the heat a little bit, so you don't burn yourself. And this handle's a good it's a good size to put 2 hands on there, you know, one here and one here, so shouldn't have any issues picking it up, pouring it or whatever, you know.